Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this one, we're going to finish up our lab that we started in 2 videos back, where we're working with the version controlling with the Git in Azure Repos. So we have created our repo, we have learned how to do the commits, make modification, use Git to stage and commit and then synchronize back to the server. So we have done all of this task. In this one, we're going to start using a new branch. So we have done all of the reviewed history, but everything that we have done, we use the master branch to do our work, which is not a best practice. So what we want to do before we do any more modifications, you can come down, click on the master branch, and over here you have a couple of different options, and you're going to use this create a new branch from. So you're going to create a new branch. You're going to call the new branch as the dev branch and hit enter. The dev branch we want to based on the master branch. So select the master one. And now this thing has changed. Now in the new branch, you are now switched to the new branch. Okay, so that's what we have done. So we're done with this. Now, since we have a new branch, we are not editing, modifying, doing nothing, even on the local copy of the master branch, which is good. That's what we want. So what we're going to do, we're going to work with this branch, and any modification that we make, it is going to be part of the dev branch. Okay. So again, we're going to go back to the source control, which is this. And in the lower left corner, click the publish changes. So over here, I can click on publish changes right here. So what's going to happen, this new branch is going to show up in our uh, Azure branches. Right there is a new branch. It showed up. Okay. What they're saying now, switch to the web browser, the comments, and go to the Azure DevOps and then branches. You can just do all of that. So go to Azure DevOps, go to comments, then go to these branches. Is that what they said? See comments, Azure DevOps, and select branches. On the Mine tab of the branches pane, verify that the list of branches includes dev. So we have already verified that. Okay, so we didn't need to go there. So over here, the branches, here's the dev branch under Mine. Okay, and then hover over to the dev branch and reveal the ellipses to the right. Click on the ellipses and delete branch. So delete. What they're saying, hey, now you know how to do this. Let's just delete that branch. So you click on that one and just say delete that branch and say delete. So that branch is gone on the server side. But look at that over here. I still have the branch here. If I want to get that branch back, I can again click on this synchronization, and this branch might show up. Did it show up? It didn't show up for whatever reason. Okay, so let me try. Yeah, it didn't show up. So it's not. It's gone on from the server side, and this time the synchronization could not find a remote reference for the face. So since I have deleted from over here, it's not finding it anymore. So let me see if I can go back to master, come back to Dave again, see if that works. So once it's deleted, you cannot do that, it looks like. So let's come back over here, see what else do we need to do. Now switch back to the Visual Studio Code window, and with the source control tab selected the lower left corner of the Visual Studio, click the dev entry and it will display the existing branches. So let's click on that one and verify that now there are two dev branches listed. Is it? Oh, yeah, you see the dev branch over here, and there's the origin dev branch. So there is a remote dev branch, and this is the local dev branch. So two different dev branch got created. Okay, and what is going to happen? The other one, the server side, is the origin dev. Okay, in the list of branches, select the master branch and check that one out. So check out simply means if you just click on that branch, it will check out the master. That's all it is. Okay, press Ctrl P to the command palette, or you can also do view and then click on that to command palette. So here delete, let's delete the branch. So git delete branch, and we're gonna delete the git branch. Okay, and once we do that, okay, in the lower left corner, click the master entry. It will display the existing branches in the proportion. Verify that the local dev branch no longer appears. So since I have deleted that branch, if I click on that one, you see from here the local dev branch that we had is now gone. It's still saying that I have the remote branch in here. Okay, that's a little weird. So what we need to do, we need to run this git fetch and then the prune command. Okay, so that command should take care of any miss synchronization that we have. So again, view command palette, we're gonna put git fetch prune, and we're gonna run this command. So what is this gonna do? This will synchronize our branches with the branches on the git, and if that branch, like since we have deleted that on our server side, so there is no origin dev anymore, it's all gone. Okay, so that's about it. So that branch is now gone. Again, the process that we did, we created a new branch and we used the branch from. So let's just, for the sake of practice, let's do a tutorial branch real quick. And the branch is going to be based on the master. So as soon as we created, we are changed on that branch. So we checked out into this branch, which is the tutorial branch. Now at this time, there should not be any tutorial branch over here in this server side. And if we synchronize this, now it's synchronizing. And once it's done, okay, if I click refresh, the tutorial branch should show up. Okay, where is the tutorial branch? Tutorial branch, okay. So now what I can do, I can delete this branch locally. So let's check out master. Again, go to view command palette and git delete branch, and I'm going to delete the tutorial. So that branch is now gone. Okay. Once that branch is gone, uh, if you do the refresh, it won't do too much. Okay. Because server side still, it has no idea that this branch is now deleted. Okay. So let's see what we have here. So it's still saying origin and tutorial. So you can delete the server side branch like that. Okay, say delete branch, so that will delete the server side branch as well. Now you click on this one, although you deleted on the server side, it's still showing up on the server side. So the final thing that we did is the git prune. So view command palette, and we did the git fetch prune, and as soon as you run this command and you go there, you see from the origin the tutorial branch is now gone. Okay, hopefully you know how to do that now. We have done it twice for you. Okay, so that's the end of this lab. So in the next video when we meet, we will start working on the next lab, which is going to be this one, which is going to be the third lab, sharing team knowledge using Azure Project Wikis. Okay, let's meet you there. Have a good day.